The topic of today's video is how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. So here we are on the Coinbase app, and what you want to do is scroll down until you see transfer and click on that. Now you want to click on send crypto. Now on this next screen, your Coinbase wallet should be right there, and you can just click on that. And then what you want to do is, okay, I've got no assets, you can see that, but you want to search for your crypto. So I believe it was XRP. And then from there, what you want to do is click in the amount of XRP in whatever your currency is or in XRP. And then you're going to say continue. And then they're going to give you a review page that will involve all the fees involved and so forth. And if you're happy, you can just click agree or continue or whatever it says at the bottom. And that is it. That is all there is to it. Sending from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet is really efficient. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.